The following tools will make life easier, and you won't even believe they exist. And if you don't believe us, wait until the last one. You won't believe it either. Are you facing a 20-meter poplar when you were expecting shrubs? Not to worry, the Milwaukee M18 pruning shears are the ultimate solution. What you've seen is amazing, but the best is yet to come. This telescoping pruning shear extends up to 3 meters, allowing you to reach the highest branches without a ladder. Amazed? Then don't miss this. Its battery offers up to 2,000 cuts per charge, handling branches up to 2.5 centimeters thick. And that is just the beginning. It reduces the workload by up to 80% and gets the job done up to 3 times faster. Transform a yard quickly and professionally with Milwaukee M18 pruning shears. Fascinating, right? And you haven't even seen the next product that promises to be a true revolution. Let's talk about ingenious advances when it comes to stuck situations like leaves or even stones. Because there is something fascinating about those cases, and you won't believe it. Cutting the pipe is not always the most practical solution. But if you thought the solutions were limited, the Bolden Pipe Catcher will surprise you. This innovative Finnish device is a pipe catcher with 3 air-powered claws that work with amazing precision. It works like a snake that slides inside the pipe, locates the stuck object, and grips it tightly. What's more, the pipe catcher is so powerful that it can move a car, demonstrating its ability to handle blockages of any size. With a simple yet effective operation, the Bolden pipe catcher uses an air valve to deploy the claws and grab the trapped object. If you're looking for a quick and efficient solution to keep your pipes in optimal condition, this tool is the perfect choice. Discover the difference it can make in your work. The future is now, and what you just saw is just the beginning. Get ready to discover something even more innovative. Weeds are a constant challenge for gardeners and farmers. But if you thought dealing with these invaders was complicated, the Hilltip Weed Striker will change your mind. This innovative device uses water heated to 98 degrees Celsius to eliminate weeds without the need for harsh chemicals. Impressed? Wait till you see what's next. The water is heated in a large capacity kettle that fits perfectly on the back of a truck, making the process more efficient and environmentally friendly. But wait, this is just the beginning. The Hilltip Weed Striker's electric pump can be adjusted and controlled via a smart app, providing convenience and precision. Amazing, right? But I haven't told you that this tool guarantees a natural and sustainable approach to keeping your spaces weed-free. It's not every day we come across such advanced technology, but what's next will leave you speechless. And trust me, the best is yet to come. Although they may look like something out of a science fiction movie, the Ingo AIM-112 welding goggles are a real innovation in the world of welding. But if you thought welding goggles could only offer basic protection, wait until you see this advanced technology. The Ingo AIM-112 is designed with an auto-dimming function that changes the welding experience. While protecting your eyes from intense glare, they allow you to maintain clear and precise vision without having to remove your glasses to check your work. What's more, a smart sensor automatically adjusts the lens's dark level, eliminating the need to manually adjust the helmet with oily gloves. And if you're looking for a modern solution for optimal welding vision, the Ingo AIM-112 is the ideal choice. Not bad, right? But this is just the beginning. The next product is about to redefine what you thought you knew about these tools. Introducing the IML-RESI Power Drill, a unique tool for accurate tree assessment. Equipped with a powerful laser, this electric drill detects cavities, cracks, decay, physical damage, and issues related to pests and pH. But if that impressed you, wait until you hear this. The IML-RESI Power Drill takes measurements at least 30 points on the tree, from the roots to the top, to provide a thorough analysis of its health. What you've seen is amazing, but the best is yet to come. It ensures that each tree receives the care it needs based on an accurate diagnosis. If you thought that was impressive, wait until you see what's next. What's next is undoubtedly a monumental advance. In the event of a breakdown in the middle of the road, the Matco Tools Mule 1000 becomes an indispensable ally. If someone thinks a traditional flashlight can solve the problem, the Mule 1000 proves its superiority. This flashlight offers a powerful output of 1,000 lumens to illuminate even the deepest darkness. But that's not all. With a runtime of 2 hours at maximum output and up to 5 hours in dim mode, you'll always have enough light. Plus, It attaches to the hood with hooks or magnets for hands-free use. Built to withstand harsh conditions, it's ready for any emergency with a quick charge via USB Type-C port in just 4.5 hours. At $110, the Matco Tools Mule 1000 is an essential investment for any driver. Reliability on the road starts here. Impressed? Hold on tight, because what's next is even more surprising. When it comes to reaching extreme temperatures to heat charcoal, traditional matches and lighters fall short. But if you thought this was an insurmountable challenge, let me introduce you to RocketFire, the innovative solution that changes the game. RocketFire is a propane tank nozzle designed to reach temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Celsius with surprising ease. Imagine a crane tip that ignites the gas instantly, bringing your barbecue to perfection in seconds. Not only that, but its efficient design ensures that your grill is ready to cook in an instant. Since its successful funding on Kickstarter, RocketFire has evolved and now has its own factory. Available for just $145, it offers an effective and quick way to prepare charcoal. If you're looking for speed and power for your grilling sessions, RocketFire is the ideal tool. Speaking of quality, this product is majestic. But what if I told you it does more than just meet your expectations? It will redefine your perception. After a remodel, filling gaps in drywall can be a challenge, but if you thought it was complicated, the Marshalltown mesh tape will take your breath away. Shocked? Then don't miss what comes next. This innovative tool applies mesh with ease, laying it down evenly in a single pass. This is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. Its handy roller, ergonomic handle, and adjustable blade ensure a smooth, professional finish, with no bumps or rough edges. Priced starting at $32, the Marshalltown mesh tape is an affordable investment for flawless results. If you're already amazed, get ready for the next product that will take your breath away. Discover Hose to Go, the portable hose that's changing the way water is delivered. This innovative Australian-made device provides an effective solution for keeping your surfaces wet and reducing dust buildup. What's more, its simple and reliable design guarantees a constant flow of water without the need for electronic pumps or batteries. But if you thought that was impressive, listen to how it maintains stable water pressure, which is critical to preventing dust particles from becoming airborne. By keeping surfaces wet, dust becomes heavier and falls to the ground, creating a cleaner and safer work environment. And the best part? Its 14-liter tank provides up to 30 minutes of continuous use and can be easily refilled by connecting a hose to any faucet. The ease of use and effectiveness of Hose to Go have made it a favorite among many. If you're looking for a practical and efficient dust control solution, Hose to Go is your ideal choice. Don't wait to experience the difference. But if this has impressed you, it's only the beginning, because the next device is promised to blow your mind. Handling cable reels can be a challenge, but iTool Co. reel jacks make it a breeze. Amazing, right? But you haven't seen anything yet. The most impressive part is yet to come. Each reel jack features a sturdy, two-legged structure and a strong cylinder that allows you to raise or lower the reel with precision, simply by turning the crank. 4 heavy-duty bearings support up to 9 tons, ensuring smooth and controlled movement. This is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. Installation is quick and even fits in the back of a truck. Few things really surprise us, but what you've just seen is just a glimpse of what's to come. The next one will be even more impressive. Designed in Denmark, the HG Mini Dumper redefines what we expect from a dump truck. But if you thought trucks had to be big to be efficient, the HG Mini Dumper will make you think again. Despite its 1-ton capacity, this compact dumper is ideal for urban projects and small construction sites. But that's not all. This is what will impress you. With its Honda electric motor, it reaches speeds of up to 6 kilometers per hour, combining speed and efficiency. In addition, its hydraulic system allows you to lift the body easily, optimizing the unloading process. And this will impress you. Since 1970, Danish professionals have relied on this robust and reliable tool. The HG Mini Dumper not only offers efficiency in a compact size, but also has proven durability over the years.